If you own a Singer Promise 2 model number 1512, or you're looking to buy one of these machines, we have all your sewing tutorials for you. Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, where we open up sewing machines, do a video on every page of the manual, teach you how to use every single stitch and every single foot. These videos are short and sweet. We have done embroidery machines, we've done sergers, so make sure you check out all the links below this YouTube video to find out more. Plus, I have online courses too. So if you own an embroidery machine, check out our Embroidery Essentials online course. If you have a sewing machine and accessories that you just don't know how to use, we have a Stitching Cosmos online course for you to join us with. Plus, I have 2 additional classes on Craftsy, so those will be wonderful resources if you're beginning to sew or you're looking to expand your sewing knowledge. So let's start by actually opening up the new machine and seeing what comes with it. There's a little trick, I think this is the way this machine's packed, of how to get it out of the box. That's one thing that can actually save you a lot of frustration. So fresh tape as we open this machine. So this machine actually has just 13 stitches. They are the essential stitches and will make your sewing that much easier. So what we have on top is just a cover here, and actually this is even easier to open up. We are going to just lift by the handle. This is considered a portable sewing machine, so that makes it really easy to move around. It's actually not heavy, so if you are looking for a machine that would be easy to travel with, maybe you have a sewing machine that you just don't like taking it out of the sewing cabinet, but you're looking for a second one, this could be one of those options. You have very simple accessories, but on Singer's website you can find additional accessories for this machine. It has the simplest bobbin style to find. You can find it everywhere, and it takes standard sewing machine needles. So it's actually just a nice, easy machine to use. Especially if you're not going to use the sewing machine a lot, this would be a great one to just kind of tuck away in a closet, pull out when you need. Of course, sometimes people forget how to thread it or put the bobbin in, so you can come right back to these videos at any time, rewatch them so you know how to do it right. The key to a sewing machine is threading it correctly. We're going to talk about good quality thread, if the bobbin's in there right, and we're also going to tell you how to clean and oil it correctly. So I'm holding a foot control in my hand, so that was kind of stored in that little open case here, and then there is usually a accessory box on the front that will just roll forward, and a small little bit of all your accessories. You got some basic needles, a couple bobbins. Bobbins will be something you'll definitely want to find more of. And below every video will be a link to needles, bobbins, if you want to buy this machine, where to buy it, and we'll get you all set up. You also have a basic instruction manual, warranty card, and a quick start guide in with the box for you to easily reference the videos that we have for you. So if you're ready to learn how to use this machine to its fullest, I'll see you in the rest of our videos. We've got, about 20, 25 videos to do, and I'm looking forward to doing every one of them on this brand new Singer Promise 2 1512 machine.